Hey, welcome back. Today is April 5th, Monday, and this is my third post today. And on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into Rally token, RLYUSDT, and see what is going on in here, I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculation and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, I've already done a more detailed post on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action earlier today. Do take a look at that if you guys are interested in seeing what I said about how those two markets can affect the overall altcoin markets. But right now, I'll run over it very quickly. Currently, Bitcoin dominance is down over 1.6%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action up over 1%. Total altcoin market cap up over 5%. Now, this is the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards. How we usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin price action. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, I would usually see Bitcoin leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. Now, there are some bearish signs on Bitcoin still on the weekly time frame and monthly time frame. Do take a look into what I said there in my last two posts. On one of my last two posts, because if Bitcoin pulls back, it could still affect the altcoins bearishly overall. That effect would be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Now let's take a look into RLYUSDT. Very new coin here, okay? Has just came in about March 18th. And right now, I'm going to take a look from just the higher time frames here and see if we do have any RSI readings indicating to me that this could be overbought in any way, which I doubt, or possible bearish divergence scenarios. So from the monthly down to the daily time frame, which I consider to be macro time frames, we don't have an overbought RSI reading, okay? Possible bearish divergence scenario, very short one here. If price action was to make a higher high comparing to this high at about $1.34, it does need to beat the last RSI reading of about 61 here to negate bearish divergence. Aside from that, let's take a look into what could be going on in here. On the daily time frame here, I do see a possible ascending triangle pattern that could be playing out, and I'm saying possible because I'm still lacking that third touch to the upper trend line here to validate this pattern technically. So this pattern is not completed, it's not validated, still an early estimate, still lacking that third touch to this upper trend line. If this pattern is validated or completed, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com, it is a 63% chance of it breaking to the upside. If it breaks to the upside, the measured target here would be $1.50 minus, let's just say 60 cents to be even here for easier math. So the difference is about 90 cents. 90 cents adding it back on top of $1.50 will give me approximately $2.40 here, measure targets. Now, measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Given that this pattern is validated, of course. Now, let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance, first of all, would be this fib level area at about $1.30 fib level area. I do have the fib levels. The base here is about 60 cents because I don't want to include this very long wick that I consider to be an outlier below that, okay, on the daily time frame here. So next key resistance would be about $1.30 fib level area that's within the pattern. Next up would be about $1.50. That's the top trend line of this estimated ascending triangle pattern. Next up, I can only guess from psychological resistance, but let me try this one. I don't usually use this too much, okay, but let me try using it here. If I actually get a fib retracement here, that would tell me what the next fib retracement is after this $1.50 resistance, okay? So the 1.618 would be at about the $2.05 fib level area. So between $2, I would just say $2.05 fib level area. Okay, that would be the 1.618. So that could be a resistance point. Okay. Otherwise, I could possibly guess psychological resistances in possibly 10% increments where traders are likely to take profits, but those are more of guesses based on psychological resistance. Okay, so perhaps $1.65, $1.80, $1.95. So those could be possible psychological resistances as well based on 10% increments. Let's take a look into the key supports. Key supports here immediately would be about the $1.15 fib level area. Next up, $1.05 fib level area. 95 cents fib level area. 80 cents fib level area. And then finally, about 60 cents fib level area, and seeing if those hold, if the price action was to go to the downside. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Let me also mention this. The measured target of $2.40, it's a theoretical approximate target only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks above this $1.50 top trend line and go towards its measured target, mining that 1.618 fib level area. I do expect that could be resistance in addition to psychological resistance at possibly 10% increments, or could expect traders to take profits, but those are only guesses. Okay, we don't have past trading history to base that on. Okay. That's the bullish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks its bottom trend line. It looks like the next level of key support I'll be looking at would be about the $1.05 fib level area. In that case, I do still think this ascending triangle pattern estimate would still be intact. It'll just look something more like this, okay? So I'll adjust the bottom trend line accordingly depending on where that price action gets bounced. So next up would be $1.05 fib level area. If that does not hold, 95 cents fib level area, and seeing if this holds. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found that helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I love to hear them. Hope you match your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.